Looking for an affordable classic car or truck project? In this video, we found 11 classic vehicles available right now, starting at just $1,000. From muscle cars to vintage pickups, these deals won't last long. Dusted 1. 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix, $2,000, Reed City, Michigan. A 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix featuring a 400 V8 engine with a cam and a 400 automatic transmission, listed for $2,000. The car has a solid body and is one of 58,000 made that year. Not the rarest, but still a limited production model. The interior is rough and it needs restoration. The brake pedal is extremely soft and the brake light is on, so it's not recommended for driving. Available for $2,000 with brand new rally wheels and tires, or $1,500 with aluminum rims and dry rotted tires. Comes with a clean Michigan green title. 2. 1977 Jeep CJ7 Base, $1,800, Hayden. This 1977 Jeep CJ7 is available for $1,800, but the seller is willing to part it out if not sold by the weekend. It runs and moves under its own power, but needs a new radiator and brake work. Powered by a 304 V8 with a GM HEI distributor, one-wire GM alternator, Holley 600 CFM carburetor, and headers. Features a T150 3-speed transmission and Dana 20 transfer case. Has a rough body with rust, but could make a great off-road toy or ambitious restoration project. Three, 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $2,650, Morganton, North Carolina. A complete 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo project car, priced at $2,650. The car has been sitting for a while and needs new floor pans. It comes with a title and has great potential for restoration. 4. 1970 Dodge Polara, $2,999, Tinley Park, Illinois. A 1970 Dodge Polara convertible project car, listed at $2,999. It has been garage kept since 2005, and the original engine was swapped for a 400 V8 from a 1973 Chrysler Newport in 2002. A solid restoration candidate or parts car. 5. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, $1,200, Middle Ohio. A 1978 Cadillac Eldorado featuring a 425 V8 engine, listed for $1,200 or best offer. The car is in decent shape with minimal rust and runs well with a new quadrajet carburetor, spark plugs, Flowmaster exhaust, gas tank, and calipers. It smokes a little when warmed up and needs good tires. Comes with a West Virginia title and is available for sale or trade. 6. 1952 Rover 75 P4, $2,000, Grand Blanc, Michigan. A rare 1952 Rover 75 P4 body project car, priced at $2,000. This right-hand drive British classic has an inline-6 engine that last ran in 2022, but has a head gasket leak. Converted to a floor-shift 5-speed manual from Toyota with Jaguar fuel pump and power steering. Features suicide doors, original wing mirrors, and intact glass. The interior is mostly original, with some wear on the seats. Stored in a barn for 15 years, it needs restoration, including brakes, radiator, exhaust, and tires. 7. 1972 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, $1,100, Ann Arbor, Michigan. This 1972 Cadillac DeVille Coupe has been sitting behind a barn for years and is available for $1,800. The car needs floor repairs, and while the seats are in good shape, it does not come with a title. Originally intended for a 4x4 chassis swap, it is now being sold as a project or parts car. 8. 1974 Ford F-100, $1,800. Foristell, a 1974 Ford F-100 pickup truck with an inline-6 engine and 3-speed column shift, priced at $1,800. The truck does not run and will need to be trailered. A classic workhorse with restoration potential. Nine. 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood Coupe, Muncie, Indiana. A 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood Coupe, listed for $1,000. It features a Cadillac 500 big block V8 engine that runs great. The car itself is not for sale, only the engine. 1966 Cadillac Calais, 20 lakh Calais, Janesville, Wisconsin. A 1966 Cadillac Calais Coupe with 68,000 miles, available for $2,800. It has not been driven since 1981 and has rust issues in the trunk, door bottoms, and fenders, though the floors and rockers are solid. The black interior is in great shape. The seller recently obtained a title and may increase the price or keep the car once spring arrives. $1964 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, $2,000, Charlotte, North Carolina.
Everybody wanting to see the inside of this car. It's all original. You don't have to redo the inside. I put that in the ad. I posted that in the ad. The car hadn't been moved in years. My friend died from cancer. It was his car. I do not have the title or the key. 64 Impala. Please don't ask me a lot of questions because I don't have them to answer. You see the inside. If the car's posted, it's available.
A 1964 Chevrolet Impala sedan project car, priced at $2,000. The engine and transmission are in good condition. The seller is open to negotiating the price, but requests serious inquiries only.